Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to transfer Capcut projects to PC. First off, open the Capcut editor in your phone. Important note, make sure that you are using the same profile between your phone and PC. Now let's continue. Then tap on Space, which is the blue button here in the middle of the screen. Tap on the plus button. Tap on Upload Draft. Choose the project that you want to transfer, then tap on Upload. Wait for a while to finish the upload. Now, after finishing the upload, go over to your PC and open your Capcut. Click the space, download the project you uploaded, and there you go. You have now transferred the project in your phone to your PC, or you can do it vice versa. Thank you for watching.